Hey everyone, welcome to our deep dive into the chemistry of life, aka biochemistry. Whether you're a science major or just curious about what makes life tick, this video is for you. So grab your brain snacks and let's get started. Our lesson outcomes include: state the different elements and compounds present in living systems and categorize biomolecules in terms of the increasing complexity of cellular organization. Biochemistry is the science that connects biology and chemistry. It's all about the molecules that make life possible, like proteins, DNA, and enzymes. Imagine your body as a super complex machine. Biochemistry is the manual that explains how each part works, down to the tiniest molecule. Everything starts with atoms, the smallest units of matter. Combine them, and you get molecules. Water, HO. 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Carbon dioxide, CO. 1 carbon, 2 oxygen. These molecules are the ingredients of life. Without them, no cells, no energy, no you. Let's meet the big four biomolecules. Carbohydrates, quick energy boosters. Proteins, the body's construction crew. Lipids, long-term energy and cell structure. Nucleic acids, your genetic blueprint. Each plays a unique role in keeping you alive and functioning. Let's explore them one by one. Carbohydrates are made of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen in a 1:2 ratio, CnH-non. The name comes from the Latin word saccharum, meaning sugar. They're essential macromolecules that provide energy and structural support in cells. Monosaccharides are simple sugars with one saccharide unit. Examples include glucose, found in blood, used for energy. Galactose, found in milk. Fructose, found in fruits and honey. These sugars are isomers, same formula, different structures, which affects their sweetness and boiling points. Disaccharides are sugars made of 2 saccharide units joined by a glycosidic bond. Examples include maltose, 2 glucose units, found in malt. Sucrose, glucose plus fructose, common table sugar. Lactose, glucose plus galactose, found in milk. These sugars are important for energy and digestion. Polysaccharides are long chains of sugar units. Plants produce glucose through photosynthesis, using sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. This process occurs in chloroplasts and gives us the oxygen we breathe. Polysaccharides like starch and cellulose are vital for energy storage and structural support. Proteins are made of amino acids, 20 different types. They're joined by peptide bonds to form polypeptides. Proteins are involved in nearly every biological process, building tissues, transporting molecules, and catalyzing reactions. Some even contain sulfur and metals, adding to their complexity. Let's look at some protein types. Collagen, found in skin, tendons, and ligaments. Fibroin, strong silk protein. Keratin, in hair, skin, and nails. Myoglobin and hemoglobin, oxygen carriers. Enzymes, biological catalysts that speed up reactions. Each protein has a unique structure and function. Lipids are hydrophobic molecules, meaning they repel water. They're nonpolar and dissolve in solvents like acetone and ether. Lipids include fatty acids, triglycerides, phospholipids, steroids. They're essential for energy storage, insulation, and cell membranes. Fatty acids are long chains of carboxylic acid. Saturated fatty acids have single bonds and are solid at room temperature. Unsaturated fatty acids have double bonds, causing bends in the chain, making them liquid. This difference affects melting points and health impacts. Triglycerides consist of a glycerol backbone and 3 fatty acids. Fats, from animals, are solid and contain saturated fatty acids. Oils, from plants, are liquid and contain unsaturated fatty acids. They're a major source of stored energy. Phospholipids have a glycerol backbone, 2 fatty acids, and a phosphate group. They're unique because they have a hydrophilic, water-loving, head. A hydrophobic, water-fearing, tail. This dual nature allows them to form bilayers, which make up cell membranes. Nucleic acids store genetic information. They're made of nucleotides, a nitrogenous base, a sugar, and a phosphate group. DNA, double helix, stores genetic code, uses a T and CG base pairs. RNA, single strand, carries instructions from DNA to make proteins. Without nucleic acids, cells wouldn't know how to function or replicate. Thanks for joining this journey into the chemistry of life. From sugars to proteins, fats to genetic codes, biochemistry helps us understand what makes us us. Stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, science is everywhere.